Alright, what are you doing?
I am fixing the wiring because the boat almost burnt to the ground.
What happened?
Or excuse me, to the water.
What happened?
The corrosion in the shore power inlet got hot and melted the whole inlet and burnt the wire. So we're replacing the whole inlet, the shore power inlet, and all the wiring going up to the main breaker.
So the cord the electrical cord that was plugged into the marina melted, right?
Yep.
And that is what he's fixing.
So what did we get today?
Got a new dinghy.
Because this wasn't enough. We needed just one more. No, actually, this one that's full of water, because it's been raining, was our first dinghy. And it's a little worn, but it's still in good shape, but it's a little smaller. So, we got this dinghy when we bought our motor. It kind of sort of came with the deal. Anyway, as it was a little bit bigger, it started falling apart. As you can see, all the handles and everything just pulled right off. And we patched them and tried to glue them back on, but to no avail. So, anyway, after much deliberation, we decided on a, what size, 11.5 foot?
Yeah.
11.5 foot West Marine. What's the model on it?
350.
350?
Yeah.
Anyway, it's not the color we wanted. We wanted the gray, but the white came. We'll deal. It's got the dry storage. It's not waterproof, but it's there. We got a seat like we wanted. The oars hook on the inside. And I think it's going to be plenty big enough for the family. So, we're excited. Fixing to take it for a run. Any ideas on what to do with these? You can see where the gel coat was all cracked. Anyway, and while he was down in there, he took apart, what is this? That thing. You see it? It's all rust and stuff, and we're going to have another one made, but it was going to cost us like $800 to have it made. And the guy told us that we could just have it sandblasted and regalvanized, and it'd be good as new. So that's what we did. It cost us, I think, $50 for the sandblasting and $150 to have some bolts tapped out because it was pretty rusted and it was in bad shape. And now it looks new. It took him 3 days to get the sugar scoop off because it was put on with that super duper caulk. I can't remember what they call it, but yeah, he wasn't happy. There's Thor being lazy. As y'all can see, he chooses to be in there. His door is open. You want to come say hi? Say hi to the camera. Aww.
I am mixing up an epoxy so that I can fill the holes and fill some places that the gel coat got torn off of when I removed the 5200
On the sugar scoop.
on the sugar scoop. That's why you never use 5200 on anything that could ever have to come apart again.
Yeah, it tore the gel coat up.
Here, let me put it in. There you go. Keep stirring. silica epoxy. It's a West System 10. It's a West System epoxy with a silica little adhesive filler.
But what pulled off the gel coat? What?
5200.
5200, yeah. Which was used to put the sugar scoop on, or the stairs to the sugar scoop.
Okay, I had to record this because I know most of y'all wouldn't have believed me. But
What is that supposed to mean?
I got my wife scraping the stuff off, and she's doing an amazing job.
You got your wife. Is that what? Contrary to popular belief, I do more than cook and just wash clothes.
Actually, she does a lot more.
But we're cleaning the inside of the sugar scoop, so we can put it back on, and it's gonna look lovely. Just lovely. We are now getting ready to put the steps back on the sugar scoop. We took the steps off so we could refinish the rudder control arm because the sugar scoop was leaking and that thing was very rusted. Today is freezer installation day. I'm so super excited about that. But anyway, of course, with all projects on a boat comes the mess before the good parts. What you thinking?
This is a pain behind it. We're going to be chilling in a little while though. We're going to have some ice.
I hope so. Being that we don't know what we're doing.
Huh?
Nothing. Yay! What if you can install an ice maker on these things? No?
I'm sure you can.